Hello, superstars. Today we're going to learn about something exciting in English. Verbs. Let's get ready to move, act, and have fun. What are verbs? Verbs are action words. They tell us what someone or something is doing. Think of verbs as words that show movement or action. For example, a boy kicks the ball, a bird flies in the sky, a dog barks loudly. Let's look at these verbs. What is the boy doing? He is kicking a football. What is the bird doing? It is flying and singing. What is the girl doing? She is reading a book. What are the boys doing? They are singing a song. What is the dog doing? It is wagging its tail. That's also an action. Simple verbs you can use. Let's say some simple verbs together. Simple verbs: jump, run, sing, play, sing, draw, dance, read, write, drink, sleep, eat, talk, skip, hop, laugh, walk, swim, fly, cry, cool, cook. Let's look at the cat and the girl. The cat is sleeping. Sleeping is the verb. It's the action the cat is doing. The girl is jumping rope. Jumping is the verb. It shows what the girl is doing. I hope the concept is clear. Please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends for more interesting and informative videos.